BJP has become the B team for JDS. And more importantly, I think the Janata Dal people should write to the election commission and just drop the word secular from that party. Because at one point of time, you claim to be secular, and at the same time, you are going ahead and joining hands with the most communal party in the history of independent India. So, irrespective of how much bonhomie they show, how much of brotherhood they show, it will not make a dent in the fortunes of Karnataka. The Lok Sabha elections in Karnataka is going to be won by the Congress party.
That's not going to affect us at all. I don't care if they do a alliance. I think people are very, very clear. I mean, here at least in Karnataka, they voted for us very clearly, knowing that, if there is any government or if there is any party which is pro people, that it is Congress. So they're very, I don't think they're going to come back to power. So I mean, whatever, irrespective of whatever coalition they're going to do, I think they have to be ready to face defeat. In fact, they're ready to face defeat. I think that's why they're doing the coalition.
BJP and JDS, so both are failed in last election. Don't have confidence also in future. That's why we both parties take decision alliance. That's why no problem in us.
हमारे लिए कोई नया नहीं है ना, जेडीएस तो ऐसे पहली बार नहीं कर रहे हैं, बहुत बार किया है, इसके लिए नया नहीं है। हम भी कांग्रेस अकेला ही उसका उतना फोर्स है, लड़ सकते हैं।
No, I don't think so. I don't think so. We will definitely retain the share percentage, which is 42% in the assembly elections. We are hoping to retain. Well, they are exposed. All this while, they were saying that they were most secular in the country. They were all kinds of things they were saying, and even the minorities believed them. Now what? Now they are exposed. Is this the secular credentials they have, or is this the secularism they preach? So these are some of the questions which definitely going to be raised during the elections. This time it's going to be different. Congress, we are going to win a majority of the seats. We are working on that. Our PCC president and all of us are working on those lines.
So it is learned that JDS joined with NDA. For the political convenience, they have joined BJP. I don't know why. Because the former Prime Minister H.D. Devegowda, he always used to say about the secular ideology. And the name of his party is also JDS. JDS, what is this? It's a fun, it's a mockery. So nobody, the followers of either Shri H.D. Devegowda or the workers of the JDS are not happy with this.
But do you think it will be beneficial, sir? Will the vote transfer happen? You are also with the JDS as state
president. Yeah, I was the state president JDS. Nothing is going to happen now. If they think that the votes is going to be transferred from BJP to JDS or JDS to BJP, never, never. It's totally a loss to both the parties. Thank you.